Welcome to Blessed Music Academy. Okay, so today we'll be looking at intervals part 2. Intervals part 2. Okay, in part 1, in my last video, I explained or defined interval to be the distance in pitch between two notes. Okay, I also told you the types of interval, the two types of interval, harmonic and melodic. I explained them, and then I also told you two ways of measuring interval or determination of interval. I told you numerical determination and determining interval by their quality, determination of interval by their quality. We looked at measurement of interval using numbers, using numbering them or getting their interval numerically. Okay, so today we'll be looking at the interval by their quality, how we can determine intervals by their quality. I think this is one of the best ways to determine intervals, okay, and one of the professional ways also to determine interval. Now we have 5 qualities of intervals, 5 ways of determining an interval by their qualities. Number 1, we have the measure. Okay. Number 2, we have minor. Number 3, we have perfect. Number 4, we have augmented. And number 6, we have diminish. Okay, so we have major intervals, we have minor intervals, we have perfect intervals, we have augmented intervals, and then we have diminished intervals. So these are the 5 ways we can determine our interval, that is the quality of an interval. Now we're going to pick them one after the other. Now let's look at major and minor. Okay, now in a major interval, now I'm going to give you the simplest way. I'm going to break it down the simplest way, like what I gave you in our last video. We have 1, we have 2. Okay, let me write it down. Okay, still using the key of C major, we have our do, we have our re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and what? Do. This is our 1, this is our 2, this is our 3, this is our 4, this is our 5, this is our 6, this is our 7, and this is our octave, okay, or 8 if you like, octave. All right, now major interval. A major interval, one of the ways you can know a major interval is a major interval can only be second, okay, third, sixth, and seventh. A major interval, that means we have major second, major third, major sixth, and major seventh. There's nothing like major first, there's nothing like major fourth, there's nothing like major fifth, okay, and there's nothing like major octave. So the only major intervals are major second, major third, major sixth, and major 7. Now I'm going to explain this more as we continue. Okay, the minor interval can only be, okay, these are major, minor, okay, minor interval can only be minor second, when a major interval is lowered by a semitone. I will demonstrate that. When a major interval is lowered by a semitone, it becomes a minor interval. So a minor interval can only be minor second, minor third, minor sixth, and minor seventh. So when you lower a major second, it gives you a minor second. When you lower a major third, it gives you a minor third. When you lower a major sixth, it gives you a minor sixth. When you lower a major seventh, it gives you a minor seventh. Now let me demonstrate it here. Alright, so like I told you before, when a major interval is lowered, okay, by a semitone, it becomes a minor second. It becomes a minor second. Okay, so a major second, you count from do to re. Okay, from do to re, which is from, we are working on the key of C major now. From C to D is a major second. 1 2 1 2. Okay, a minor second, you lower your D. When you lower your D, you are having C sharp or D flat. Okay, now let me use C sharp. When you lower your D, you are having C sharp. So from C to C sharp is a minor second. So you are lowering. Okay, you are reducing. So it's D flat. From C to D flat, or from C to C sharp, any way you want to call it. All right, so a major third is from C to E. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, do re mi is a major third from C to E. So when you lower your third, it becomes a minor third. So when you lower your E, it becomes D sharp or E flat. Okay, so once you lower this E here, it becomes C sharp or D sharp or E flat. Remember, in interval, sharp or flat does not affect it. Okay, so you are still counting 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. All of them are third, but the difference is in their quality. All right, so from C to E flat is a minor third. From C to E is a major third. Okay, now from C to A is a major sixth. Look at it. C 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is a major sixth. But when you lower by a semitone, okay, to your A flat, you lower your A to your A flat, which is this black key, it becomes a minor sixth. You lower by a semitone. Now from C to B is a major seventh. Okay, so when you lower your B to become B flat, it becomes minor seven. So what you need to know is that in a major interval, it is only second, third, sixth, and seventh. And for you to get your minor, you lower your major intervals. Once you know your major interval, lower them to give you your minor intervals. Okay, now this will be very short. Please, if you see this video, please share and share. Those of you watching on YouTube, please subscribe and make sure you click the bell so that you can be getting my videos. Thank you.